Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the emulsions basic intro. That is, the section contain introduction, types of emulsion, classification of emulsion, theories of emulsification, additives for formulation of emulsion. What are the emulsion? Dispersion systems. There are the emulsion suspension. In case of emulsion is a dispersion in which the dispersed phase is composed of small globules of a liquid distributed throughout a vehicle in which it is immiscible. And in case of suspension, it is a two-phase system in which a finely divided solid is dispersed in a continuous phase of solid, liquid or gas. Emulsion definition. An emulsion is a thermodynamically unstable system consisting of at least two immiscible liquid phases, one of which is dispersed as globules in the another liquid phase stabilizing by third substance called the emulsifying agent. Or an emulsion is a dispersion in which the dispersed phase is composed of small globules of a liquid distributed throughout a vehicle in which it is immiscible. There are the four types of the liquid. First, in which there are the 1 and 2. Two immiscible liquids are not emulsifying and an emulsions of phase B dispersed in phase A, and C. Unstable emulsions slowly separated. And in D, the emulsifying agent black film places itself on the interface between phase A and phase B and stabilizes the emulsions. Next is the internal phase or external phase in emulsion. The dispersed liquid is known as the internal or discontinuous liquid. Is the droplet phase is called the dispersed phase or internal phase. There are the water, the continuous phase, and oil, the discontinuous phase in case of oil in water emulsion. And whereas the dispersions medium is known as the external or continuous phase, the liquid in which droplets are dispersed is called the external or continuous phase. And water, the discontinuous phase, and oil, the continuous phase in case of water in oil emulsion. Next is the classification of emulsion is based on the dispersed phase and the size of the liquid droplets. Oil in water, oil in water droplet dispersed in water, and water in oil, water droplet dispersed in oil. Zero point 0.2 to 50 mm micro emulsions kinetically stable, and in case 0.01 to 0.2 mm micro emulsions thermodynamically stable. Next is the types of emulsions: simple emulsion, multiple emulsions, and micro emulsions. Simple emulsions, there are the micro emulsions: oil in water and water in oil, oil in water in oil, water in oil in water. That is the multiple emulsion. And micro emulsions are the nano emulsions, thermodynamically stable, optically transparent mixtures of a biphasic oil water system stabilized with surfactant. General types of pharmaceutical emulsions, that is lotion, liniments, vitamin drops, ointments and creams, all are the emulsions. In today's class, I discuss about the general types of pharmaceutical emulsions and about the types of emulsion and the classification of emulsions, internal phase, external phase, and what is the emulsion. Thank you for watching.